Hey, and welcome to the Cashflow Department. I'm Mo the Closer, and I'm going to walk you through exactly what this school group is so that you can have some better clarity about what you're entering into and the type of partnership that you're getting here. So, traditionally, when you're becoming a funding broker, the old way of doing things is you get thrown in this Facebook group, you are bombarded by gurus who are trying to tell you something to do, but they don't really provide you any type of support. So here, you're not going to find any hype. You're not going to find a massive amount of content consumption. But what you will find is a place where everything is departmentalized so that you can build your funding brokerage the fastest way possible. So this is the blueprint designed to eliminate the manual hustle. Now, who is this infrastructure actually built for? This is built for credit repair owners. So, if you are wanting to add a funding revenue without learning complex underwriting, if you are an aspiring funding broker, like you want to go ahead and get paid without building the tech stack or the lender relationships from scratch. And oh my God, talking about these relationship managers. So, you don't want to have to deal with all of that. Or if you're an operator who you're done playing small and you require systems, automations, and leverage, this group is for you. Now, I'll go ahead and tell you if you're here just to sit on the sidelines and watch and you may participate, this group probably isn't for you just because this is for action takers only. Now, the burnout pipeline. The burnout pipeline is the hustle trap. And I'm sure we're all familiar with it. I've been through it way too many times, more times than I'd like to admit. But this is the hustle trap. You're trying to do and be the entire business. You're doing the selling, the fulfillment, the disputing, the underwriting, the compliance management, and essentially at the end of that, you are what's holding your business up. This is not a book, this is not a business, this is a burnout pipeline. So we want to go ahead and avoid that at all costs. Now, we've created a three-step solution which we call the capital engine. So for one, we're going to go ahead and launch your portal for you. Two, we have AI driven fulfillment. So you never have to worry about if your deals are going to get funded. And number three, we have a lender ecosystem that you can go ahead and tap into from day one. So this is turning all of that manual effort that you've made into automated leverage. Now, let me go deeper into these steps. Step one, you're going to launch your portal. This is going to be the front end of your operation. So we go ahead and get this thing kicked off for you in minutes, not months. So what happens is when you go ahead and join inside of the cash flow department, we're going to set you up with the onboarding call. We're going to go ahead and have our team members set everything up for you so you don't have to wait a long time to start making money. So it's very easy, no tech skills or development skills required. And your clients apply through your portal, your control. You manage the brand and the relationships. So you actually become the front of your business. Step two is the AI driven fulfillment. This is the brain of the entire business, so to speak. So the brain analyzes credit reports, profile data, and deal structures, and it automatically generates custom funding strategies and execution paths. What this means is you don't have to guess anymore or wing it, and you get to operate like an institution. Because a lot of people who want to start a funding brokerage, they avoid starting a funding brokerage because they don't know how to build these banking relationships. So we already took that heavy lifting off of you. Now, and number three, we have the lender ecosystem access. This is the capital right here. So this is how you scale immediately. You connect your clients with over 500 plus lenders. This network includes 2,200 venture capitalists, private investors, banks, and fintechs. So this means you don't have any friction. So you don't need to build a lender relationship. They're already built for you. You get to utilize ours. So this is the strategy shift from doing everything yourself to actually strategizing your funding brokerage. So the old way is you're chasing lenders, you're babysitting fulfillment, you're manually underwriting everything. The new thing is you are the acquisition and the strategy. That's it. The fulfillment is handled. Your only job is to feed the engine. This system was built from real deals, real funding wins, and real operational pain. So we've already been through all the hard stuff for you. So we can kind of just lay up these deals for you. Now, we do have a few growth and scaling tiers. You can begin at the free partner. This lane is designed for you to come in and just start making money day one. Because at the end of the day, let's talk about the elephant in the room. We want you to make money. Then you can graduate to the operator tier, which is more hands on, and a brand owner tier, which the brand owner tier completely takes everything out of your hands. It's actually your business in a franchise form. So that's how those tiers work. Now, the entry point is the $0 a month. It's like I told you, the partner tier is free. This is legal based credit repair, litigation support, partner funding, fulfillment, and access to the entire ecosystem. This is best for new users who are trying to test out the model, adding funding as a secondary source. It's just like you're really trying to get your feet wet into the business, and that's completely okay. You focus on the client, we handle all the heavy lifting in the back. The next tier is the operator tier. This is where you control a lot more of this. You get full access to Trulli.AI Pro, the automation tools, bi-weekly marketing execution training, and VA supported onboarding. This means that you don't have to worry about anything other than feeding your engine to get the thing started. So we go ahead and put a team member inside of your business for a week so that you're off to a great start. You're not stressed out about anything. You're not trying to learn any new tools. We go ahead and handle all that for you. So your funding becomes predictable. You stop guessing and you're able to start running plays. This means you're able to start planning how much money you're going to make for the month. We even enter you into our 10K in 10-day challenge. So 10K, 10 days, we're going to make sure you start making money from day one. The next tier is the brand owner tier. For $49.97 per month, this is enterprise and asset building. We give you full back office support. We handle your client's operation management. And you have a team member inside of your business for 40 hours a week handling your services and your marketing. This is for people who want to own the brand, not work in it. So, this is for the folks who are ready. You already have a business going, you're ready to scale, you're ready to pull yourself out of some of the mundane day-to-day work. We handle all of that for you. We train your team member, we place them in your business, and we operate them for you. So you don't have to worry about any of that heavy lifting. We got it. And here's some of the principles though. Start your onboarding. Choose your lane, whether you're going to be, and when I say start your onboarding, set your onboarding appointment in the first pin post inside of the group. And if you're not already in the group, I'll go ahead and drop the link below this video. Now, inside of the group, the first pin post has a link for you to schedule an onboarding appointment. This is your very beginning step. And I also have that sent to you in the first message once you join the group. So you're going to choose your lane. Are you going to be a partner, an operator, or a brand owner? You're going to follow the workflows exactly as designed. Don't freestyle anything. We already figured it out. We already invented the wheel for you, so you don't have to go through and reinvent it. So execution beats creativity every single time. So just do exactly what we're guiding you to do, and you're going to be just fine. And then once you choose your lane, if you're serious about building a funding business, that doesn't rely on chaos. You're in the right place, right? So you're going to read the full breakdown on the About page to start your onboarding. Welcome to the Cashflow Department.